So it's a lovely day here in Lancaster City, and I'm here doing a roof project for CASA of Lancaster and Lebanon. CASA is an important non-profit organization here in the county. It stands for Court Appointed Special Advocates, and CASA basically advocates for children in the system who have no other people to advocate for them and make sure that they are taken care of as they move through the system in Lancaster County. So anyways, CASA reached out to me and they wanted bids for the roof replacement. We had a slate roof here on the main steep slope building and then a rubber roof in the back, and they wanted kind of options they wanted options for roof replacement. So we went through a couple of different options: slate, metal, synthetic slate, shingles, and so forth. And they chose a nice shingle option, so we had to take the old slate off, inspect the deck, get everything inspected by the city, put a new shingle system on, and today we're working on the back on the rubber roof. So really happy to be partnering with CASA here. We were able to give them a significant discount on the prices. What they do aligns with a lot of our values as well, and so we're super happy to be working with them and look forward to continuing to serve them in the future in whatever ways we can.